Now, Fox 35 News at 5:30.
Here's a question. Can your eyes erase your bad memories? Some local therapists say they can.
Yeah, and possibly in just one treatment. Tiffany Tift shows you only on Fox.
That's the wedding party, and Nick and I. His face looked different. His demeanor was different. He seemed to have tunnel vision. And then next thing I remember, I felt pain and I saw black.
For the past 5 years, Michelle Johnstone has been living a nightmare that started on March 26, 2006.
When I saw his body and the amount of blood, because I just fell to the ground, and I fell next to him. We were lying within inches of each other. I prayed to God for blindness. I said, God, if you take away my sight, I'll never ask for it back again. Please. Don't let me see this.
Michelle's husband committed suicide on a Sunday morning by a lake near their house. Every day, Michelle is haunted by what happened, and every night she is tortured by a reoccurring nightmare where her husband kills himself over and over again.
It was almost like a door shut on my life.
That is, until now.
And follow my fingers. Just think about the boating. How does that feel? Here we go.
Meet Lainey Rosenzweig, a licensed therapist and the developer of Accelerated Resolution Therapy.
Keep your head still.
Rosenzweig claims that by waving her hand in front of a patient, she can erase years of trauma in a single session.
The eye movements, which are very calming, help to process through whatever you're doing.
Rosenzweig says her therapy replicates the rapid eye movement, or REM, we experience during sleep. And she says it's that eye movement that helps us process our thoughts. We checked with our other mental health experts who say the treatment is promising, but they say every person's traumatic experience is unique, and there's no quick fix for working through painful memories and experiences.
Do you feel relaxed? And take a breath in and out. Everybody gets skeptical in the beginning naturally because it sounds crazy, but there have been eye movement therapies out there for many, many years.
Rosenzweig's Accelerated Resolution Therapy is still being studied, but she is practicing on patients. And for the first time in 5 years, after one art session, Michelle is happy. And last night, she dreamt that her husband was happy too.
He said, I'll never think of suicide again. I'll never hurt you again. This is exactly what I needed.
Tiffany Tift, Fox 35 News.
By the way, that therapy is being studied to help soldiers suffering from the psychological effects of war. Rosenzweig also claims that it treats depression, anxiety, phobias, and addictions.